Hey guys, Jordani Brookes here from Brisbane, Australia. Just leaving my feedback about our first session last night. I thoroughly enjoyed it, 110%. Totally agree with where we're starting from. The foundation starts within ourselves. And I just want to mention, about a week ago I posted on social media a photo that I use each time I do a presentation. This photo is in my background before I start introducing myself, and I always take it with me everywhere I go as part of my presentation. It's like a grounding for me, and it reminds me of who I am and where I come from. And it was just uncanny how that came about in our session last night, and I thought, wow, this is something else. This is something amazing that we've got our hands on. So I'm really looking forward to this whole marathon. I'm looking forward to the end result, and I'm going to commit myself 110% to the marathon. So I think I've just squeezed in there and got my homework done on time. I finally got the software sorted, and I'll be able to upload my documents then. So looking forward to sharing this journey with everybody, and I wish us all the best of luck, guys. Let's get it.